Mastering idiomatic expressions. Burning up the track. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an exciting idiomatic expression, burning up the track. Whether you're an English language learner or just love to expand your vocabulary, this video will shed light on the meaning, usage, and origins of this vivid phrase. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. Burning up the track is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone or something moving very quickly, especially in the context of racing. This phrase can be taken both literally and figuratively. Literally, it might refer to athletes or cars moving so fast on a racetrack that they seem to be burning it with their speed. Figuratively, it can describe anyone or anything that is performing an activity with remarkable speed or efficiency. The origin of burning up the track is rooted in the world of racing, be it athletics, horse racing, or motorsports. The imagery evoked by the phrase suggests speed and intensity, conjuring up a picture of racers pushing themselves to the limit. Although the exact historical inception of the phrase is hard to pinpoint, its usage has been popular in describing outstanding performance in competitive scenarios since the early 20th century. This expression is versatile and can be used in a variety of contexts beyond the literal racetrack. For example, in a business context, their new product is burning up the track, surpassing sales expectations. In academics, she's burning up the track with her studies, aiming for the top of her class. In personal achievements, he's been burning up the track with his marathon training, improving his time every day. When using this phrase, remember that it conveys a sense of exceptional speed and effectiveness, making it perfect for situations where someone is excelling or moving forward rapidly. We hope this exploration of the phrase, burning up the track, has been enlightening and enjoyable. Idiomatic expressions like this one add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to communicate with more vividness and precision. So next time you see someone achieving great things at an impressive pace, you'll know exactly how to describe their efforts. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning and expanding your understanding of the English language. See you in the next video.